Hello and welcome back to my channel. All of you, today's grammar topic is very interesting. We are having question on the word commence. So let's solve these questions together, and as you know, each question carries 1 mark like always. Okay, here's the first question. What is the correct meaning of the word commence? Here are your options: to delay, to begin, to finish, to confuse. These are the 4 options. Now, can you spot the correct meaning of the word commence out of these 4 options? Which one is it? Is it option A, B, C, D? Which one is the correct option? The correct meaning of the word commence is to begin. Option B is the correct option. And if you got it right, don't forget to give yourself 1 mark. Let's move on to the next question, which is choose the correct synonym of commence. Here are your options: end, avoid, start, refuse. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Which word is the synonym of the word commence? It is option C, start. Let's move to the next question. Question number 3, which is choose the most appropriate antonym for commence. Options are begin, stop, create, activate. These are the 4 options. Can you choose the most appropriate antonym for the word commence out of these 4 options? It is option B, stop. Okay, let's move on to the next question, which is choose the sentence where commence is used correctly. Okay, here are your options. We will commence the party after dinner. Next, the teacher commenced the food. Next, she commenced her shoe. And the last, I commenced very hard. Now, these are the 4 sentences. You have to identify the sentence where commence is used correctly. So, which sentence is it? Is it option A? Is it B? Or is it C? Or is it D? Which one is the correct sentence where commence is used correctly? Go through your sentence once again. I'm sure you'll be able to find the correct sentence. Those who are saying option A are absolutely right. We will commence the party after dinner. This is the correct sentence, and this sentence is using the word commence correctly. Okay? And don't forget to give yourself 1 mark. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5 is, in which sentence does commence have a similar meaning to start? Okay? So you have to spot the sentence where the commence have a similar meaning to start. Okay, let's look at the option. They commenced a debate on climate change. Next, he commences his meal early. Next, the commence was delicious. And last, commence the door. These are the 4 sentences. You have to choose the correct sentence out of these 4 sentences. So which one is it? Is it option A, B, C, D? Which one is the correct option? It is option A. They commence the debate on climate change. Okay? So this is your correct answer. Now before I move on to the next question, I have a small task for you. And the task is, you have to mention in the comment section below which is your favorite English grammar topic and which topic you don't like so much. Okay? Now coming back to the question number 6. Which part of the speech is commence? Is it a noun? Is it an adjective? Is it a verb or is it an adverb? So which part of speech is the word commence? Choose out of these 4 options. It is option C, verb. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Question number 7. Choose the correct form of commence to complete the sentence. The event will dash at 10 a.m. sharp. Now, here are your 4 options. The first option, commence. Next, commencing. Next, commenced. And next, commences. These are the 4 options. Now, out of these 4 options, which word should I put in this blank to complete the sentence? Quickly identify the correct option. It is option A. The event will commence at 10 a.m. sharp. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 8. Identify the correct usage of the past tense of commence. Here you have to look at the sentence which is having the past tense of commence. Okay, let's look at the options. The function commence at 9. Next, they have commenced working. Next, we will commenced soon. And the last, he was commenced the work. These are the 4 options. Choose your correct option out of these 4 options. If your answer is option B, you're absolutely right. And don't forget to give yourself 1 mark for each correct answer. Okay? Let's move to the next question. Question number 9. Which word would logically complete this sentence? Okay. The sentence is, the exam is scheduled to dash at 9 a.m. Which word should I fill in this blank? Options are finish, commence, skip, repeat. These are the 4 options. Which one is correct? Which one should I put in this blank to complete the sentence? Should I put option A or B or C or D? Which one is the correct option? It is option B. The exam is scheduled to commence at 9 a.m. Okay. Next question, which is the last question of our exercise, and the question is, which phrase uses commence in a formal tone? Okay. Here are your options. Let's commence our picnic. Next, commence the engine now. Next, the board meeting will commence shortly. And the last, I commence my sandwich. These are the 4 sentences. Now you have to identify the sentence that in which the phrase commence is used in a formal tone. So which one is it? Is it option A, B, C, D? Which one is the correct option? Before I tell you the answer, if you find my video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also mention in the comment section below how much did you score out of 10. Okay, coming back to the question, and the correct option is option C. The board meeting will commence shortly. Okay. With that, we come to the end of this exercise. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning all of you.